social program designed to bring finance to life for 10,000 girls around Australia.
Women coming together and learning from each other.
The course is structured in a way that it applies to everybody.
It's such an amazing kind of dynamic way to get your finances on track.
Empower women all over the world in a range of situations.
Understanding and realising what you want from life.
It helped me really take time out to sit down and think about what I wanted to do, and really gave me that sense that, I can do all these things and I can make these things happen for myself.
I think it's really important for young women to plan for their future, because I think if you don't plan, you don't really get anywhere.
Positive, inspiring thing for yourself, and at the same time do something to help women in the developing world.
Sets every girl up with a plan and has a ripple effect that's felt globally. Just you grow